distinguishing the drug as powder.
Yeah.
How does it add to the powder's plot and humor?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ
But
ಅದರಿಂದ
drug ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡೇ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Like it's not about like consumption ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. The moment you use drug ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ
People are having stressful days. Sari, one cinema nodana, one comedy cinema nodana anta bandu, enjoy mari, have your popcorn, enjoy yourself, go home. Ashte. It's not like one of those very hectic films. Ayo, ee tara yochne marbeku, you know. And I like those kind of films.
I'm looking at like the pioneers of comedy here. I'm looking at Rangayana Raghu, so I'm looking at your Huli Karthik, everyone, right? And the kind of things they were doing, for a minute I stopped doing and I just started admiring them, like what is happening?
powder plot na bittu. If I have to talk about the powder, staple base in makeup for actors.
Yeah.
What is your connect with powder?
they used it.
Can I say chili powder? I like to eat spicy food, so I would associate it with chili powder.
What do you say?
You know what, Sharda? Actually, powder for me is before we used foundation or liquid foundations. You remember, right? We used to use, you know, the compact foundations where you used to take that powder pad and, you know, kind of like powder your face. Other than association antane helbodu, because I feel like that's the kind of makeup we used to use back in the day. Obviously, ivaga with all the new products in the market, it's so that's my association. Of course, Johnson baby powder, that's always been one of my all-time favorite powders also. Very mild and nice. So, yeah.
Just bringing back your childhood memories.
Yeah.
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್. ನಂದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾನು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಗೀಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Correct.
ಸೊ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಗುಡ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್, ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಪೌಡರ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ ಇದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಓಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪೌಡರ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಅದು ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಝೀಟ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತದು, ಅದು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್. ಅದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪೌಡರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕದ್ದು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಅದು ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
But also as kids, I think did you never spray powder on the floor and then just skid through?
ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ
ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ.
ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋರೆ. See,
I'm sure you all have done all this. Sumne.
nobody gave us so much powder ಎಲ್ಲ roll.
Okay, then my generation did that.
Put and then skid
Gen Z.
what?
Huh?
Let's skid.
Yeah, just like put your ass on the ground and just go
Wow.
hurt yourself.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ little old, the older generation.
ಮಿಲೇನಿಯಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು.
But
I'm millennial.
okay, but distinguishing the drug as powder.
Yeah.
How does it add to the powder's plot and humor?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ
But
ಅದರಿಂದ
drug ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡೇ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Like it's not about like consumption ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. The moment you use drug ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ so many
ಈಗ
things come into
ಈಗ
our mind.
ಈಗ ಅಂಡರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ತರದ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಲಿಟಿಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಹಾಕೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಾಕೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅದು ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ದುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂಥವ್ರ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಪೌಡರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇದು ಆ ಥರ ಇದು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸು ಅದು ಏನು ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ.
See, actually, there's no form of substance abuse in Cinema Delhi. If you watch the film, you'll understand. It's an out-and-out comedy, very light-hearted film, and it has nothing, there's no relation to any sort of substance abuse at all. But yes, there is a lot of smuggling and there's a lot of underworld, like, you know, but in a very comical way. It's not meant to be taken in oh my god, it's not a film that one social message is there. There's this huge responsibility in the film. It's one of those very light-hearted films. You come to the theatre, enjoy yourself. People are having stressful days. Sari, one cinema nodana, one comedy cinema nodana anta bandu, enjoy mari, have your popcorn, enjoy yourself, go home. Ashte. It's not like one of those very hectic films. Ayo, ee tara yochne marbeku, you know. And I like those kind of films. But on a very like work day, sometimes when you're working hard and you know you had a stressful day and you want to watch a light film, this is something like that.
There's mix of too many elements in this movie.
Yeah.
One side you see comedy, one side there's a lot of chaos.
Chaos.
And there's crime.
Yeah.
Mixing too many things, will it confuse the audience or what you're trying?
I don't think there are too many elements here. I think the good thing is that this film has 9 characters which have their own individual stories happening parallelly. So what happens towards the end when all of them come together is what the crux of the story is.
Do you think, like they say, too many cooks spoil the taste?
That's what you're trying to say. But I think this is a very situational sort of a humor. Right? It's a kind of a caper comedy anta heltaralla. So it comes under that sort of a genre. It's not one of those typical slapstick comedies or double meaning sort of, those jokes. It's very like situational, and Andre, when you watch it as a whole, it's quite a wholesome entertainer and something that people will really enjoy. So the trailer also, there are a couple of jokes you see.
ಲೈಕ್ ಹೇರಾ ಹೇರಿ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ.
Yeah.
ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಏನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ.
It's just basically comedy of errors.
But then you have an ensemble cast on that.
Correct.
Too many people, and too many things to remember for the audience. And what happened to this person? What after 9 characters?
See, if you watch films like Golmaal ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ that really worked.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ because of those characters only ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. If they only had 2-3 people doing comedy, it may not have worked. So this also, because the script demanded these characters, andre this is that kind of a comedy of errors sort of film, andre it needed it. If these characters are not, the film wouldn't have held water, and that is why we've got such good artists who really are good in the comedy.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಓವರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಟೂ ಮೆನಿ ಕುಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪಾಯಿಲ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾತ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ.
Sometimes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, especially comedy ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ, they do little, like it's little, they're trying to make you laugh, but here it's just so situation that you laugh anyways. That kind of humor.
I wish I had played the other character ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀಗ
ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲ?
ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲೇ like you wanted to play a certain character somebody else is played in the movie?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ನನ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನಿರುದ್ಧ ಆಚಾರ್ಯಗೆ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈನರ್ಸ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ತರಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈನರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ಜನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅವನ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಅವ್ನ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ನಗ್ಬೋದು ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ದಿಗಂತ್, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್.
He looks so innocent.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ
ಅನ್ಸಲ್ವಾ?
ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್?
ಅದ್ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಗಾಳಿಪಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನೇ
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಸತಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾಗ.
ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಸಿನಿಮಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್, ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಟೆರಿಟರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನೀನೇನೋ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರೋದೇ ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಯಾಕೆ ದಿಗಂತ್ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಪಾತ್ರನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದೇ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಜಗದರ್ಶಕಣ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಆ ಥರ ಬೇಡ, ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಬೇಕು, ನೀನ್ ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನ ಚೈಲ್ಡಿಶ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು. ದ ವೇ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು, ಅದು ನಿತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಸರು. ನಿತ್ಯ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀನು ಒಂಥರ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ತರ ಇರ್ತೀಯ ಅವಳ ಮುಂದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಆ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ದಾಟಿ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
But I think Galipata 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ the character ತುಂಬಾನೇ different ಆಗಿತ್ತು. In fact, ನಾನು ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ when I was watching it, they loved his character. ಅಂದ್ರೆ they were just ನಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they were loving your track.
ಹೌದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೌದು.
And I think with Digant, what the thing is that you should always do roles that people want to watch you in. As actors, obviously ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ roles ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ we'll have like sort of a desire, but ultimately the audience who ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರ, because there are certain actors where audience like to see them in a certain way. If you're an action star, for example,
we always love the Doodh Peda Digant.
Doodh Peda, yeah. I can't see him like doing like
ಇಲ್ಲ
this
ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ
super-
ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ
That's
role
a
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
change
ಅಂತ.
anta. It'll be a different role.
ಸಖತ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಕಂತ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ,
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
ನೋ
ಮಾರಿಗೋಲ್ಡ್
No, no.
ಮಾರಿಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್
ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ
ಕನ್ನಿಂಗ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಓಕೆ, ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನಿತ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಎಸ್.
ಯು ನೋ ದಿಗಂತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶರ್ಮಿಳಾ ಬೈ ನೌ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪಾಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ 3-4 films old,
5
5 films.
Yes.
So how did you go about to work with them and to maintain that spontaneity with them?
I think they made it very easy for me. I have to mention that not once did I feel like I was working with someone who has more experience and they were looking at me like an amateur or something like that. So thank you for that, for making me comfortable. This is my second film.
We also like to behave like amateurs alva. That's what makes you a better actor. Navella acting ella gottu anta heli hodre it never happens. Now amateur
So it was my second film with Digant, so that comfort level ittu nanage already it was created. And with Sharmila, I think from the get-go, Muhurtadalle we spoke and we had a lot of common friends. We come from a similar social circle, so I think we just had a lot to talk about. No, social circles andre friend groups ashtene, nothing else. So we just had a lot to talk about. We got along really well. On set also, including Anirudh, I think we would sit together and have so much to discuss. And that chemistry sort of reflects in our in the film, but it doesn't reflect with us because in the film she's beating me up.
Beating
I'm
everyone up.
coming to that. Sharmila is one of the toughest characters.
ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ
I'm putting my sleeves up,
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ತರ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಲರ್ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಕಿಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ ಪೋಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ನಾನು ಯಾರ್ದು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಂತೂ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೊಂಥರ ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಒಂಥರ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್
So,
ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ಳು ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ.
ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒದೆ ತಿಂದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು.
I think I took my role a little too seriously because I was always wanting a role like this. These are roles that every girl wants to play alva. So Janardhan sir ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ when they told me a 4-5 action block sequences full fledged ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ I was a bit taken aback. I only have 2 months left to train and I should look as original as possible. I trained for it and also you have to look little fit. No,
ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಂಗ ಅದು
you got it.
ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಹೈ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಜಾಗ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು 1 ವರ್ಷ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು.
ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ there is to be one more take.
Action director always said be as natural as possible. Let's not be the. So I was getting into the crux of the character, so I was hitting them left, right and center and he's like my head, shoulder, my knee, my leg ella heltaitu. So but it was a fun experience. It was really great.
Serious note, I want to ask, really did you get trained for that?
I did. In fact, I want to release some videos or something.
Do
like
that, no?
Yeah, because it was very taxing anta helbodu. It's not very simple. Yakandre enandre it's very easy to use a dupe, but I didn't want to because I said there are only 3-4 sequences over here, so might as well do a good job of it. So I kind of worked quite hard for it, and it is very physically taxing, especially for a woman. I would say I found it a bit exhausting, but eventually screenally it looks great.
Did you ever have to do one of this when you were on your period or something?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Oh, kudos to you, bro.
So it is difficult.
Yeah.
But shooting time only it's easy because they have cut shots, alva. So it's like you kick and then there's a next shot. But the training for it every day, 3 hours a day and all that was a bit. We had a discussion about it.
3 hours a day.
Yeah, so I should do 1.5 in the morning, 1.5 in the evening because I would split it up. Andre ella ottige madakagalla. And then of course the diet, the calorie control, and then the
Really taken up very seriously. Yeah?
I did, yeah.
Like a hero anta.
I'm going to show you some.
There are a lot of action sequence in the film.
Nande bari action irodu cinemadalli. I think 4 sequences are there, so I'm looking forward to it.
Rangayana Raghu is in between all of you. That's like ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು
See,
ಕಡೆ
whatever said and done,
ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Rangayana Raghu sir is an actor. He literally steals the show. He can take the credit for it. Yakandre, he really is such a phenomenal actor. You have to give it to him. Everything that he says comes out so naturally. and that's so important. ಅಲ್ಲ set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ there is a vibe, you know.
Yeah.
This whole set changes and we all like automatically we start the acting also gets
He makes you want to be better.
yeah, he makes you
Yeah,
want to feel
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ
better.
ನನಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ
And
ಆಗಿದ್ದು.
I'm really glad to be working
Yeah.
with him now for some more than 5. I worked for 5 films. I think you must have
Yeah.
worked much more.
More.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I believe acting is all about reacting, okay?
Yeah.
So when you have such a great
Yes.
actor, automatically your acting
Yeah.
also
Improves,
yeah.
100%. Especially like how when I slap someone in the film, then they get hurt and they react.
Yeah, and then they really get hurt and the reaction is better.
Reaction ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that's called good
Yeah,
acting.
that's called real acting.
Has Janardhan Chikkanna, each
I
day
think
you would have
he was
faced.
really
He
calm.
was excellent.
Yeah, even
Too good.
when all the artists were there on the set also, he was very calm.
Shardhan, and
Chikkanna.
we've all worked with
Yeah.
so many directors before, but one good thing about him is he would always come so prepared. Andre, I don't think there's a single day that we shot that ಅವರು ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ what we're shooting. There are some directors who come on set and they'll be writing the dialogues, or
No,
they'll be
he
like,
was always
ಯಾವ
prepared.
scene ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ extra ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. But he knew exactly. In fact, he used to edit the film
Side by side.
simultaneously. ಇವಾಗ ಶೂಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ they use editing, so we could see the shots and say, oh, it's looking like by the end of the day.
Editing ಅಲ್ಲಿ sound track ಎಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
Yeah,
Yeah.
background
Soundtrack,
music. So
yeah.
at the end of the day, I used to see my fight sequences with background score. Like I'm watching myself on screen already. I said, sir, how did you do this? He's like, that's how I plan it. So
Yeah.
meticulous. That is why it was so easy for all of us. Otherwise,
Coming from just one film old actor,
yeah,
director.
that's what. From one film to be this professional is very commendable for a new director. Of course, he's done one more film.
ಅದು
ಅಜ್ಞಾತವಾಸಿ.
ಅಜ್ಞಾತವಾಸಿಂದ ಇನ್ನ ಅದು
Release ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ರಿಲೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್.
Yeah.
ನಿಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ
ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಲ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ತರ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೈಬರ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ರಿಯಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೌಟೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು, ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀನು ಒಂಥರ ಈ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗನ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಶಾಪ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಈ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿ ನೋಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್.
Never felt that way, to be honest. I think in fact half my credit ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು, actually not even more than half I would say. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಕಾಮಿಕ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರಿಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರಿಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ he is the one that filled that confidence in me that no, we'll get it, we'll crack it together. So on set he literally guided me through the whole process, and very grateful to Janardhan sir for doing that. Yeah.
Talking about you coming from the Rajkumar clan anta.
I think it's a little bit of both. Ivaga I've gotten used to it ivaga because that is my identity, alva, and it's a blessing for me. At the same time, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ದಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಾಲಿಟಿನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಐ treat it as a blessing. At the same time, I'm trying to carve my own little space for myself. And ಸೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು.
I think Danya, no, the thing is, the first time I saw her on set, even I was like, okay, because I've never met her, right? How will it be working with her? But honestly, I think that they may think that she's not approachable, but actually she's very easy to work with, and she's just as simple and as normal as anybody else, and very approachable in that sense. Alva,
Thank you.
I mean, you guys have done more scenes together, but whatever my
Yeah, she's very hard working. ಅದೇ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್,
seriously.
ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ 150%, not 100. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಬೇಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇದೆ.
You remember anything the whole team laughed and you still remember and think about it?
We laughed all the time. But I would say the climax when we were shooting in this set where there was a lot of fire, and we were all basically like 20 shades darker by the end of it, because the suit, it's called suit, right? Yeah. There was soot inside our nose, in our ears. So basically, we looked funny. And
the best part was
we were burning together.
ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಇಚ್ ಅದರ್. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫನಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅವತಾರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah,
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್
climax ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
because we are going to it's a parallel universe. We go into different universes and we go into different characters.
Yeah.
ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, in fact GOT and everything, so there's a mix of and I think that was the fun part.
I think funniest for me would be when Janardhan sir called a bunch of us and he said, do whatever, just do something. And we just literally had to do random things. And
the random part. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ.
yeah, if I thought I was funny, I'm looking at like the pioneers of comedy here. I'm looking at Rangayana Raghu, so I'm looking at your Huli Karthik, everyone, right? And the kind of things they were doing, for a minute I stopped doing and I just started admiring them, like, what is happening? No, that was hilarious, really.
Talking so much about powder and the laughter you people, you enjoy talking about powder.
We enjoyed because we also had fun shooting. Andre, it was comedy for us also.
I'm sure it will reflect on screen.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah.
Yes.
Hope it reflects with the audience as well.
Thank you and all the best.
Thank you so much.